It's 2023. You want to do merchandise, get your brand everywhere, and grow your channel, become some great entrepreneur. Most of you don't bother. Just don't waste your time with merchandise. If you haven't gone crazy on YouTube, if you haven't done loads of YouTube videos, don't waste your time thinking you're going to sell merchandise. The best thing for merchandise is just brand awareness, good for giveaways, good for you to wear. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it simple with next to no cost to you. That's not true. In this video, I'm going to show you it's going to cost you £20 a month, but the merchandise is unlimited and costs you nothing, but you are not going to make a lot of money this way. But if you get a piece of merchandise that starts to take off, then you can mass produce it and obviously earn a lot of money. But for this tutorial or introduction, it's not a tutorial, I want to show you something that's going to save you time, save you pain, work on another platform, and keep things simple for you. I want to also get your brain into, you're an affiliate. I'm an affiliate. Shopify affiliate. Said at the start, this is a paid promotion, because if you sign up, I get 20% of your sign up if you sign up with my link. I want you to think about this £20 a month. I think it's 20% commission for the lifetime of anybody who signs up. So you've only got to get 5 people to sign up, and this is paid for as well. So if your friends are YouTubers, if you've got other people that are trying to sell items online, then you sell your link to them, and your platform's free. So this is the easiest way to do it, and this is the simplest way. So you'll come to Punk Shop, pnuk.shop this is. And I really just use this for training purposes. You'll see from my numbers, I don't have an amazing community, an amazing amount of people watching. Maybe down the line I will. But if I was doing merch, this is how I would do it. So if you see like a Punk cup, what you want is a place, in my mind, what you need setting up is a place where you can buy your own merch. You can wear your merch, your hats. I've only got the Happy Me ones. I'm not showing me Punk one. Like the Happy Me hat. If I type up here, the Happy Me, it'll show that Happy Me hat. Actually, that's a trucker one. It's a different type. Get it in different colours. Get it in, khaki. Get different pictures. I don't have any of this to hand. This is all print on demand using a company called Printful. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it and how it's done and how simple it is, right? So this is a Shopify platform. All the technology is on somebody else's watch. I know that you need to value your time, especially if you're a creator. This has to be done as quickly as possible. So we're going to sign. Well, no, we're not going to sign up. I will. If you go to pnuk.com. .co Shopify. If you go up here, if you go to pnuk.co Shopify, on the forum is where I'll put training and how to do it. And you'll see here, this is the video about Shopify. This is a video about Printful. Yes, actually I'm going to update them for my other channel in the coming weeks. And I'll put full training on there, or any questions you've got, you can use on there, right? Pricing for Shopify, the first month is going to be £1 for everything I've shown you, and every month after is £19, plus VAT, so it's really 21 quid. So what I want, though, is for you to take your website, take your visibility, and turn it into a brand-friendly place where a marketer or another brand might want to work with you. They come to your website, they go to your contact page, they see, oh, this person's got merchandise, this person's got already got all these different things, and this is how easy it is. So it's already my site's already set up, but I want to show you how easy, if I go to my admin, it is to put a product on, to give a discount code, and then to fulfill the order. So I'm going to go to apps, and I'm going to go to Printful. So mine's already on. So you're going to be like, well, show us everything, how it works. Show us this, show us this. I want you just to grasp the formula of how this works, not exactly how to do it. Because for a lot of people, it might not be worth you even thinking about. So I'm going to add a product. And let's say I want to add... I find the best things, or the best things that I want to share, are like cups and mugs and things that aren't going to get sent back. Maybe stickers, maybe a phone case. Should we add a phone case? AirPod case, right? Hoodie. See, hoodies and stuff, maybe you don't want to prat about too much with things that are going to go back and get you have to share, you have to do refunds and stuff, which you can do, but there's no point making it hard. So what should we do? Should we do a cap? Let's do hats. Are we doing the classic hat? It seems a bit boring, doesn't it? Let's go back and add a product on hats, right? So it's winter, so let's do maybe a beanie. Should we do a beanie? Let's do beanies. Everybody loves a beanie in the winter. So let's do this bobble beanie. So what's actually good is when you say to people you've won this prize, when they go to your shop, it's interesting to see what they go and buy. And a lot of people, when I did the Happy Me show, went and bought a Happy Me beanie. I don't think it's there anymore. So I knew that was a popular product. So all I've got to do here is add a design. So let's go colours. Let's go all these colours. I think it'll work on all. And then choose, you upload a file. So I've got the punk logo. I've got the Happy Me logo. I've got some other stuff that I've messed about with. Some of the Bull merch we did. And let's do, for this, let's just do a punk hat, right? Because that'll work on all sizes. I think that's about as big as I can make it. Yeah, it's going to sit there. And we're going to go black, white, flat embroidery is fine for this. You can make it sort of puff out if you want. Mock-up. Proceed to media. Design products. Yeah, you don't have to change anything here. I've actually got I don't know what I've done with me punk beanie. So you can do the main mock-ups in different styles, whichever way you like it. I kind of like the basic flat white background, but obviously you can do these generated mock-ups to make it out like this is what it looks like when you wear it. But I quite like just a plain body. It is what it is, isn't it? Right. Proceed to information. So this is a punk pom-pom beanie. You can change information. You can add stuff. If you've got, I think I've got a hats tag. I think I've got a hats collection, Happy Me hats. Yeah, so while since I've done it, I haven't actually got a collection that I can add that to. Now, pricing, I always just set up, so you see, because obviously Shopify is going to take a percentage. I think it's 2%. What was that pricing? It says, doesn't it? Yeah, 2.5% plus 25p for anything that goes through. Printful don't take a cut. There's obviously going to be shipping. So I'm a VAT registered company, so I've got VAT that I've got to add on and things like that. So I just put merch includes shipping and tax, and I put it up. You'll see for $24.99. Now you might say it's not worth it, and obviously nobody buys it, so it isn't. But it covers all my costs at that. So submit to store, and now it's going to process it, and that hat will turn up in my store. So what I'm trying to show you is look at all the different products you can do, right? All these different products. I want to do tote bags, or what was I thinking here? A cup. I want a cup. Keychains, socks. I want to do socks. Shoes. I want to sell Happy Me shoes. Here we go. Stickers, flip-flops, maybe flip-flops. I'm not going to do flip-flops. Sounds daft. But anyway, so the hat, the hat, the hat, does the store think I'm in the wrong? The store may think the settings, the domain's changed. Yes, it is. Here, look, it's Punk Shop. I prat about way too much changing stuff, as anybody who follows me will know. Stores, Punk Shop. See, you can sell on Etsy as well if you want. And now, let's go here. Let's try again. Let's try. And now that beanie's there, right? Here, print on demand will arrive January 11th to 13th. Currently, it's January the 6th. So really, a 7-day turnaround on a product that it doesn't exist. Here's the different colours. Here's, you can obviously pick. If it's part of a collection, it'll jump to the collection. It is a hat collection. This is the D-Gen hat, I think. Yeah, so it's got a United Kingdom flag on one side, the PN UK, the D-Gen. It was when I was doing gambling stuff, so the degenerate gambler. So it's going to cost you £19, but you could also make this your website. So this is your website. This is your homepage. It'll link to all your other things. So here's my training platform. Here's the Punk TV forum links. It isn't costing you anything. And you might say, I want to give best products or best whatever, or I get that you want to have the most appealing merchandise, but this is going to be the quickest way to do it without you getting stuck in merch that no one's going to buy, without you having 100 hats. Now, if you sell 100 of these, go and buy 100 and sell them for £5 each, or it'll cost you £5. But until you know anybody's coming, don't bother wasting your money, but have a homepage and a website that's still going to promote your brand that only costs £20 a month, right? And if you push affiliates, you can recoup some of that as well. You can even, down the bottom here, think a lot of people are affiliates to Amazon. So if you're, maybe this is one of the best books you can buy. I need to get them to fix this Amazon button, but it takes me to Amazon. Amazon pay 5% commission. So if I've got a camera, let me remember how to do this. Let me do vlog camera. So say this Sony vlog camera. Oh, these are all books. I'm in the book section. I want to be all departments. Vlog camera. So this 679 quidder, I'm going to grab. Oh, I'm not logged in. You get your, let me pause you. So you get your affiliate link for this image if you're a part of the Amazon affiliate code team. So you get 5% commission. Somebody buys this. So I've got another app on my store called Spreader. Amazon, yeah, Spreader. The Spreader app, right? And all I do on this one is I paste in my product. That's not it. I paste in my text. Every now and again, the copy link on my Mac doesn't seem to work. Anyway, so I paste that in and add product. Invalid URL. All right, doesn't like that. I think it's already set up to do it. It's a while since I've done this. So let's go this one. Yeah, you take the main image because you set up the affiliate link on the settings and it automatically does it for you. It's been a while since I've done it, right? So now on my store, if I view here, I've got an £804 Sony. So someone says, oh, what do you recommend? And I'm like, well, I use this camera. And then you have on your page, equipment I recommend. So go camera. You send them here. Oh no, what was it? Sony, come on, find it. So you have a collection of all the equipment you recommend, and then, well, that's the camera. Then if somebody clicks the buy Amazon button, you'll have a fixed button. £804, buy on Amazon. They go to the Amazon, the jungle, and they buy it, right? Maybe you do. You have a tripod you use. Maybe this is your favorite tripod. That's too cheap, isn't it? Oh, maybe it is this one. This 19 quid. Again, grab that. Drop it in here. Add product. Amazon. So I'm wanting you to understand that a Shopify store, although it will cost you 20 quid a month, will become your website, your brand home, place to contact you, links to your socials. Selling your own merchandise via Printful is free. You can also sell your own merchandise that you have. Selling Amazon related products that you recommend. that you actually recommend. You know, you could relabel this, edit it, tripod, buy on Amazon. And hopefully, I know this is a scatty video because I'm just giving you an introduction to the possibility, but this will cost 20 quid a month, but won't cost you any time. It won't cost you any time wondering if somebody comes in and clicks this link, will it work? Will my viewer get the money correctly? Will the product go through? So let's do that actually. So what you'll actually do is you will give them a discount, right? So let's go here. So say we're doing a duck race, members draw, members giveaway. So I'm gonna go where now. Check out. Okay, gift cards. No, I think it is products. Oh, orders. No, orders. Don't go there. Discount. A big button that says discounts, right? So manage discounts. So you're going to give a giveaway. You've done some sort of giveaway. Some commenters won. And you're going to go amount of order. Let's go this one. Discount code. So we're going to say punk free. And it's 100% off Facebook and Instagram, Google. I don't know why that is. Sales, select this. I might not have my sales channels set up properly. No minimum. So you could say they've got to spend X amount of money. And we're going to say limited number of times. I'm going to put ones because last time I did a video like this, somebody tried to come and buy something. And that should pretty much do it, I think. Save. So now if somebody comes and you say, hey, you've won the giveaway, go and buy your hat, buy the punk hat. You've won that. It's a new merchandise item. You've won it for free. Add to cart. Put in remove age. Remove the other one. Doesn't really matter. In fact, I'll show you how this goes through. So proceed to checkout. When they get to checkout, discount code punk free. Apply. So what I'm showing you here is if there's other platforms that are cheaper than Shopify, but they're not as easy to use. It's more painful to use, right? So I'm going to put in I'll put in Dave Smith, Dave Smith Street, Dave Smith's Carpenters. Here we go. We'll go here. Phone number not required. Enter a mobile number. Are you going to let me do that? No, it's not going to say 0785. I don't know which ones. There we go. That. Will it add it? Will it take it? Yeah. Total. Oh, I haven't got free shipping on that bleeding discount code, have I? Right, hold on. All right. Yeah, I haven't got my shipping rates set up. Because I really just use this as a test. I don't even link to it from my main site. But anyway, everything's free. Everything's done. Continue through. Review order. Everything's set. Now, I'm going to get an email. In my order section, I'm going to get an order. Dave Smith. Online store. And I'm going to get an email from Printful saying you need to fulfill that order. So, one hat going through, and then what would happen at Printful? I don't know where it's going to take me there. Orders. I don't think it's going to show. Yeah. So, Dave Smith, waiting fulfillment. I would get an email. I would check it's right. So, it's going to cost me £25.43. Because what happens is that's a new digital asset. So, once it's converted, in fact, I don't think this charge will go through. I think that £5 will be less. So shipping, VAT, that'll be a bit less. So 25 quid does usually cover it. So as I said, you ain't going to get rich doing it this way at the start of it, right? I'm going to cancel that order. Just so Dave Smith in Hull doesn't get a hat. But what would happen? You would confirm. Look, 21 quid, 18 quid, 14 quid. These will be double items. 23 quid. So nothing's over. Hopefully somebody wants a cup off you. 12 quid, 15 quid. You'll see the actual value is less than 25 quid. So 25 quid does cover everything. So it does take a little bit of tinkering about with. It does take a little bit of getting used to. But ultimately, the platform is easy to use and to set up and to not have to worry about your time. I've probably forgot a bit what I said before because I've just prattled about getting that bit working. It's the easiest way to do it with peace of mind that it'll work. With Shopify support, with Printful support. If you're really struggling, you can ask me. I will help you. But yeah, the pricing was £1 for the first month and then £19 plus VAT. So 21 quid. But you're going to be able to get merch out without worrying about it. So I never have to worry about a bloody supplier. I don't have to go to the post office. I don't have to send it out. If actually one of the cups turned up broken, and they said to me, just take a picture of it, get them to take a picture, send it to you, and they just sent another one out. If it needs to be returned, they'll send it back. It's just the hassle-free way of doing merch until you get big enough to start thinking about specific designs, to start thinking about creating in the hundreds of batches. But it makes you look a little bit more professional, even though my video was scatty as anything, and I realise I've rambled the hell on. But I do recommend that. Spotify, Printful, pnuk.co/Printful. Think about affiliate marketing, Amazon deals, think about them cameras, think about that tripod, think about sharing all that stuff on your site. I think it actually does cost, that app might actually cost a bit more per month. I get it for free. But you can do it manually. You can take this and then do it manually on Shopify as well. You don't have to import it. It's just quicker, isn't it? You can even sell T-shirts, right? So let's do. Oh God, let's go clothing, right? All departments. Let's do PNUK T-shirt. Yeah, my search. I had a time where I had a decent amount of T-shirts on here, but they changed the rules and they pulled all my T-shirts down. I think if you go to PNUK Amazon, oh man, change address. Oh, I'm in the UK. That's my Amazon.com. Right, I have to tell it I'm in America for this. This all sounds a bit dodgy now. Yeah. All right, let's try it here though. Punk T-shirt. Where's my T-shirts gone, man? All right, this has just become a really flaky. Do you feel lucky? There we go, Punk T-shirt. There we go. Does that come up? The Amazon search has gone nutty. Anyway, if you sold T-shirts on your Amazon merch store, I think it'll make me log in, won't it? Merch. You can also share those as well. All right, let me pause and show you now. Right, I'm in. So, yeah, here's my merch store. Nothing really happening. Analyze, manage. I don't think I've had a couple of black sheep sales, I think. I don't even look at it anymore. If we go here, let's have a look. I don't think it'll go back that far. No, it won't go that far. Is that still 90 days away? Did we sell any T-shirts over Christmas? We sold one, the Happy Me T-shirt. Shut up and dance. I did it for my niece, actually. So if I wanted to, I don't know if that link will work, though. Oh, it did. So I could sell Amazon T-shirts via the merch store. I want to, and the merch store on Amazon's print on demand. Shut up and dance T-shirt now. All the colours, all the sizes. That's actually the same blooming place. Here we go. Shut up and dance T-shirt. Buy on Amazon. So if you're selling T-shirts, you can do it also via the Amazon merch store. I'm not sure if Punk brand. Yeah, that used to work so good, but You can tell that I haven't sold many t-shirts on Amazon. I hope I'm just giving you, I know it's scatty, I hope I'm giving you I thought I'll pause then. I hope I'm giving you ideas of how to build out things that don't cost you money. Look, got a 5-star review. What's the review? One person bought it, gave it 5 stars. Didn't leave a review. Anyway, Scotty, think about merch, but think about merch that saves you time, builds the brand, and then in the future you can go into, the world-class design that you're thinking about. Hopefully that helps. I know I rambled on and I'm out of here. More to come. I'll maybe do this video again that isn't so scatty. Cheers for watching. Punk out.